Oh my goodness. You cleaned up. Look at everything you got. Is that neat or what? Oh, I bet you love that, huh? You need to get it out of here. Wow, Emmy, what all does Santa get you?
Sophia.
Ooh.
2.
Oh my goodness. And did you get your Minnie's Fabulous Mini Mall? That is so neat. He must have listened to you, huh? Hey, what's that pink thing with the black handle right next to you?
Where?
Not part of the Mini Mall.
This one?
This looks like a sled. This way, honey.
This one?
Nope.
What? This
That. I think it's a sled.
Oh.
You should open your stocking. Here's a stocking right here.
Oh, there?
This pink one.
This one?
Yeah. That's from
Another
Santa.
Elsa?
Yeah, an ornament, huh?
It's an ornament. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Movies?
Oh, what movie is that?
Tiana.
Is Tiana
Cars.
and Cars? Oh, I think that's music for your karaoke machine. Open that up and show me what it is. Do you need help? You're so good.
What are these? No, Mom. Dinosaurs? This? A jewelry box?
It is a jewelry box. You're right.
It's a unicorn.
It is a unicorn.
Emmy, open this stocking right here.
Well, she has more in there, Dad. Finish that one.
Okay.
Oh, man. Keep going, Cookie.
Socks. He did come, Dad. He was right.
He did.
Ooh, Captain America Avengers socks, Emmy.
What? This is a sucker?
Oh, man.
Yummy.
The sucker got stuffed in there. Here, you want some help?
I won't need some out.
You won't need some help.
Let me just dump it out.
Yep, that's what I would say to do.
I can't get everything out. I can't get it.
That's why they call them stocking stuffers. Jesus, I hope that's not breakable. Oh, it's cookies. And this stocking is from Mommy and Daddy. We just put some stuff in there for you.
Jasmine.
It is Jasmine.
Angel.
Whoa, do you have those? No.
Bill.
And Belle, oh man, you don't have any of those, do you? I think that, oh. Nope, that's all we put in there, just those little dolls.
This is, what is this?
Oh, never mind, in a Pez.
That is not the same.
It's Santa candy.
Yum, 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 yum,
Yum,
yum.
yum, 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 yum. Let's see what Becca's got in her stocking. Ooh, teething. You gonna help? Oh, look. Santa brought her a toothbrush. Be careful, okay?
These are movies.
Oh, let's see them.
I don't know if we are. But you don't
Hey, Becca.
understand.
Hey, Dad. He's trying
Becca.
to violently steal her pacifier.
This is a Minion movie.
Oh, it is. Oh, it's a different one.
You smile?
Huh?
Hey, Becca.
What's that?
Superhero.
Oh, it's called Megamind. She got movies too.
About Megamind.
It's about Megamind. Be careful.